Hey, let's make an easy and cute carrot Easter basket craft for kids. It goes together in just a few minutes. It would be cute as an Easter basket, a gift, or as an Easter table favor. We'll start by cutting the shape for the carrot, and I'm going to make a large basket carrot first. So I'm going to take 2 pieces of the orange paper that I have that it's 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to glue it down the center so I can make a larger basket, because I'm going to be making a kind of a triangle shape here in a minute. So I'm going to glue these 2 pieces of paper together. Alright, now I can make this 11 inches by 11 inches. So you can cut a square 11 by 11, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my ruler and I'm going to draw I'm going to come from this corner point and I'm going to draw a semicircle down here from this corner to 11 inches this direction. Here. So I'm going to draw several dots along this curved line, and then I'm going to connect the dots and cut a semicircle shape. So I'm radiating out 11 inches from this corner all the way down. Now I'm going to connect those dots in this corner, doing the best I can to make an even semicircle line that goes through all of these dots. And this will be my basket that I'm going to roll up into a cone. That worked really slick. So I'm going to make that into a cone, which is my carrot shape, and I'm going to glue this down and staple it at the top. I'm reaching inside the cone to try to hold that into place as it glues. And then I'm going to staple it at the top to help hold it in place. And there is my carrot. With my orange paper in a cone shape, I'm going to draw a few little lines on here with my brown marker, and it's going to look like those little wrinkle lines on the edge of a carrot. So I make just short little squiggly lines. Obviously this carrot hasn't been peeled yet. I found this cute paper in my scrap bin, and I'm going to cut a handle that's as wide as this, which is about 1 inch wide. I thought that was really cute paper with both the green and the orange in it. And I am going to staple this onto the basket from side to side here. You could glue it if you wanted to, but I think I'm going to staple. And come as close to halfway across as I can. For the top of the carrot, I'm going to use some tissue paper that will go down into the basket. So I'm folding this in half and then in half again to make a square, and I'm going to fringe the top of this. So I'm just cutting about a ½ inch wide strips down into the tissue paper all the way around those unfolded edges. I'm going to open up my tissue paper. So I use the center of my paper to kind of make a cone out of the tissue, and then I'm going to stick that down into the carrot basket. That fringe will come out the top, which kind of looks like the top of the carrot, and then we can fill our basket. I can put in some of my candy-filled string eggs. As well as other candy that I'd like to put in. It holds quite a bit. This really is an easy and cute Easter basket craft for kids. Our Easter Bunny friend approves. I'm going to do the exact same craft except make it smaller for a table favor. So instead of making it large, I'm going to make it smaller, maybe 5.5 or 6 inch radius from this corner. So I'm going to do the exact same thing I did before with making a few lines by coming out from this corner at the same measurement, 5.5 inches all the way around. And then I'm going to connect those lines as smoothly as I can. And that's going to be my carrot. Draw my lines. Makes it look like it came right out of the garden. Now this time, instead of using tissue paper, I'm going to use green paper that I had in my little scrap bin. I'm going to fold this in half and make some grass by clipping down into this, making some fringe. And it's going to just lay in the back of the carrot, and I'm going to staple it on. Because this is going to lay on the plate, and I'm going to put candy in here for a favor. This truly is an easy and cute carrot Easter basket craft, either to use as an Easter basket or as a table favor. For more Easter crafts, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.